Today we're gonna do adjective 쉽다. It means to want to. Okay, so if you want to do something, you will have to use the verb stem and then add 고 싶다. Like let's say if you want to do something, do will be 하다. The stem will be 하. And then just add 고 싶다. 하고 싶어요. But if it's the third person, let's say Yumi. Yumi wants to do something. It will be same thing, 하고. And then what you do is 싶어. And then you add 하다. 싶어 해요. 유미가 하고 싶어 해요. If it's 가다, I want to go. Then 가고 싶어요. If Yumi wants to go, 유미가 가고 싶어 해요. Okay? Then if it's a friend, like a plural, 친구들 wants to go. My friends wants to go. 친구들이 가고 싶어 해요. Okay? So let's do couple of example sentence. I want to buy a computer. I want to buy a computer. So you want to say 저는 컴퓨터를 to buy is 사다. So you just use the stem. 사고 싶어요. We'll just continue and say Mark also wants to buy a computer. Then we're talking about third person, so we have to use 고 싶어 하다. So we say Mark also, so we need also particle. 마크도 컴퓨터를 사고 싶어 해요. Mark also wants to buy a computer. 마크도 컴퓨터를 사고 싶어 해요. Makes sense? It's not too hard, I don't think. Okay, let's do one more example. Okay. Yumi wants to watch a Korean movie. 유미는, as for Yumi, 한국 Korean movie 영화 를 to watch is 보다, so we need the stem. And it's a third person, so we use 고 싶어 하다. So 보고 싶어 해요. If this was a past tense, Yumi wanted to watch a Korean movie, all you need to do is the past tense of 하다, 보고 싶어 했어요. If I wanted to watch a Korean movie, then you would say 저는 한국 영화를 보고 싶 and then past tense 싶었어요. I wanted to watch a Korean movie. 저는 한국 영화를 보고 싶었어요. Okay? Pretty easy. Now, what if we want to say in negative form? Instead of I want to do, you want to say I don't want to do. Then you would say I don't want to do 하 and then go and then 싶다 just the negative form. 싶지 않다, right? 않아요. 하고 싶지 않아요. If it's past, 하고 싶지 않았어요. I didn't want to do. Then, what if you want to say, I didn't want to watch a movie yesterday. So, 어제 영화를 보고 싶지 않았어요.